Aldarain Modern School, hoyga aqoonta.
Hello students, welcome to physics class form 1, the chapter 5, work, power and energy. Today's topic that we are going to cover is what is the definition of power and some problems on power. Let's start. Here we have power. What is power? Power is the rate at which the work is done. Power is the rate at which the work is done, and the SI unit for that is watts, means 1 watt equals to 1 joule per seconds. Here power is the rate at which work is done. Imagine there are two persons, A and another person, B. He did the work, he lifted, he kicked the ball, and ball has traveled for 10 meters. In the same, B has kicked the ball and the ball has traveled 20 meters. We can say that B has more power. B has more power. It means he is applying some force at a particular distance. He did some work at a particular distance, and according to the time, within 2 seconds it reaches 10 meters. Within 2 seconds it reaches 20 meters. Means same time, but B's power is more. In the same way, here it tells that power is the rate at which the work is done. Now, what is the formula for the power? Power is equals to work divided by time. P equals to W by T. What is work? Already we have learned that is force times displacement or distance by time. So we can also write P equals to FD by T. Right? Let's start. First problem, a force of 150 newtons is used to push a motorcycle 10 meters along a road in 20 seconds. And calculate the power in watts. Now let's start. First we shall write what they have given. A force of 150 newtons. Force is equals to 150 newtons is used to push a motorcycle 10 meters. Means distance is how much? 10 meters. Along a road in 20 seconds time. It tells about time, 20 seconds. Calculate the power, and he is asking to find the power. Actually what he is asking, if you take a motorcycle, applied a force 150 newtons, it travels 10 meters in time 20 seconds. When you apply a force of 150 newtons, it travels 10 meters and it has taken 20 seconds, and he is asking how much power it has taken. Right? As we know, the formula for the power is work done by time taken. Right? Now from this, work, what is work? We don't have directly work, W, value of W, means work is equals to force times displacement, as we know this. The force is how much? 150 newtons times distance, how much he has given? 10 meters. Right? So from this, how much the work? Force times distance, 150 Newton meters, right? That is the work. Next, actually we need to find the power. Power is equals to work done by time. What is the work he has done? 1500 divided, what is the time it has taken? 20. Now if you cancel this, 75. Power, what is the unit for the power? Watts. Means 75. We need 75. How much power we need? 75. For what? To push an motorcycle for a distance of 10 meters within 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds, if you apply a power of 75 watts, it moves up to 10 meters. Let's go for the next. An 80 kg man. It means it tells about the mass of a man. M is equals to, mass is how much? 80 kg. Runs up a flight of stairs, means upstairs, the first floor, second floor. It is the height of 5 meters, means it tells about the distance. You see, stairs, it is how much? 5 meters. He traveled from here to here. Who is having the mass? 80 kg. Next, in how much time? Within 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds he has reached stairs of 5 meters whose the weight is, mass is 80 kgs. So what he is asking to find? Man's power. So what is the formula for the power? P equals to W by T. He has not given the W value. So we need to find the W value, means work. What is work? Force times displacement. Right? What is the force times displacement? Force is how much? We don't know the force. He has not given. So force is nothing but mass times acceleration due to gravity, which is nothing but mass. He has given how much? 80 kgs. Gravity, acceleration due to gravity of on the surface of the earth is 10 meter per square seconds. So how much you will get? 800 newtons. We got the force, right? Now we can find the work. Work is equals to force times displacement. Force is how much? 800, and the distance is how much? 5 meters. So totally we get 40,000. Work, what is the unit for the work? Joules, right? Next, or you can say Newton meter, or you can say Newton meter. Next, what we need to find? Power. Power is equals to work divided by time. Time is how much? 10. Cancels. So how much? 400 watts. How much power we need? 400 watts we need to move a 5 meters stairs with having 80 kg of mass. Let's go for the next problem. A pump lifts 30 kg. A pump lifts 30 kg of water. It tells about the mass. Mass is 30 kg. A vertical distance of 20 meters. Distance is how much? 20 meters. Each second means time how much? Each second, 1 second. And is asking to find the power. Means is nothing but, if you take a pump, it should reach up to here, which is nothing but 20 meters. 20 meters. Within 1 second, the water should come. Means how much power we need to apply here, how much power we need to apply so that the water which is present at the 20 meters within a second, it should come out. that we need to find. So what is the formula for the power? P is equals to W by T. Right? Now, what is P? What is W? W is nothing but force times displacement. Right? Now, what is, see here, P equals to W by T. We don't have W. So again, what is W? F times D. Again, in this formula, we don't know F. So F is equals to mass times gravity. But we know the mass 30 kg. And the gravity on the surface of the ground, that is 10 meters per square second. So how much we will get? 300 newtons. We got the force. Force is how much? 300 newtons. Now we can find the work. Work equals to 300 times distance. Distance is how much? 20 meters. So how much you will get? 6,000 Newton meters. That is work. And next, finally, we can find power. Power is what? Work done by time taken. Work done is how much? 6,000. Time is how much? 1, which is nothing but 6,000. Right? Power, what is the unit for the power? Watts. So finally we need 6,000 watts to lift a water from the well, which is 20 meters within a second. Right? Okay, clear? Thank you.